Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Launchpad and immediately locating the icon you want gone. This saves time. Click and hold any icon until everything jiggles, because that gesture reveals removable App Store apps with an X. If the X appears, click it to remove the app. This deletes the app and its Launchpad entry. Once done, make sure the app is gone from Launchpad before moving to non-App Store removals. You'll need a different approach for those. Now handle apps without the X by quitting them and locating their app bundle in /applications or your user applications folder. This is where Launchpad reads entries from. Drag the app to trash or choose Move to Trash in Finder. Empty the trash when you're certain you want it removed. If an app resists removal, you can use Terminal to remove the bundle, but use sudo rm/ref with caution. Once removed, Launchpad should drop the icon after a refresh. Finish by refreshing Launchpad. Run kill all dock to restart the dock and force a Launchpad refresh, because Launchpad caches icons until dock restarts. If the icon remains, reset Launchpad's database using the defaults and SQLite 3 commands to rebuild the index. This clears stale entries. Make sure to reindex Spotlight if Spotlight still finds the app. Troubleshooting tip: if an icon won't delete, check whether the app is protected by System Integrity Protection or reinstall it, then uninstall properly before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.